Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by preparing the teacher computer as the host. Install Classroom Spy with admin rights so it can capture screens and control clients. Once installed, set a strong host password and open the listening port, typically 5800 on your firewall. Make sure student machines have the client app of the same version installed and are on the same network, otherwise connections fail. After these steps, the host will be discoverable and ready to accept client connections, so proceed to connect a test student. Once clients appear, you connect and verify. Discover by IP scan or enter each student IP manually if needed, then confirm the client shows online. Next, configure permissions, grant view only to some or full remote control to others, enable file transfer and class chat only when required. Once done, tweak image quality and frame rate to balance clarity and bandwidth, and choose whether to record sessions. Make sure to label each client for quick identification. This prevents confusion during live monitoring and control. When class ends, gracefully stop recordings, disconnect clients, and export logs and any useful screenshots to a secured folder. Then lock your host settings and change the host password to prevent accidental reconnects. If you need to recover a session later, the exported logs and recordings will show timestamps and client ID. If a student won't connect, first check IP accuracy and that both apps are the same version. Then verify firewall rules and restart the client service. Often a simple restart fixes lost connections.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.